English Learning Podcast.
Learn English, clear, easy, and fast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast, our warm and friendly family. I am Jack.
And I am Sarah. We're so happy you are here with us today. Here, you will learn English very simply and naturally.
Exactly. Today, we are going to talk about the verb drop. It is a tiny four-letter word, but it is one of the most powerful and common verbs in American English.
It has so many uses, and today you are going to learn all of its uses with lots of very simple examples. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it like a native speaker.
Sarah, how is your morning going? You look a little bit stressed today.
Oh, Jack, my morning was terrible. It started so badly. I made a beautiful hot cup of coffee. I was walking to my desk and my hand slipped. I dropped my coffee right on the floor.
Oh no! You dropped your coffee? Did it ruin the carpet?
Yes, it made a huge mess. I dropped the cup broke, and I had to spend 20 minutes cleaning the floor. So I am running a little bit late today.
Well, I'm sorry about your coffee, Sarah, but honestly, your bad morning is the perfect first example for our podcast today.
Really?
Because you just used the literal meaning of the word drop. Literal means the physical, real meaning. Sarah, what does it mean to physically drop something?
To drop something means to let something fall. Usually it's an accident. Gravity pulls it down to the ground, like my coffee cup today. My hand opened and the cup went down. I dropped it.
Let us give some more examples. Imagine you are holding your phone. Someone bumps into you. Your phone falls to the floor. You say, "Oh no, I dropped my phone."
Or maybe you are carrying a lot of bags from the supermarket. They are too heavy. You say, "Please help me. I think I'm going to drop these bags."
So that is the basic physical meaning. You let something go and it hits the ground. But now let us move to part 2. This is where English gets really interesting. Phrasal verbs with drop.
Yes, a phrasal verb is a verb plus a preposition. When we put drop and another word together, the meaning changes completely. Let's start with one of the most common ones, drop off.
Drop off. This is a very common phrase in American English, especially when we talk about driving and transportation. What does it mean to drop someone off, Sarah?
To drop someone off means to take them to a place in your car and leave them there. For example, if my friend needs to go to the airport, I will drive her there. I will drop her off at the airport.
Exactly. You drive to the airport. She gets out of the car and you drive away. You dropped her off. This is so common for parents. Parents drop their kids off at school every morning.
Yes, I drop my son off at school at 8 o'clock, and then at 3 o'clock I pick him up. Pick up is the opposite of drop off.
We also use drop off for things, not just people. For example, I need to go to the post office to drop off a package. It means I will take the package there and leave it there.
Or I need to drop off my clothes at the dry cleaner. Taking something to a place and leaving it. That's drop off.
Let us test the listeners. Imagine you are in a taxi. You arrive at your hotel. What do you say to the taxi driver?
You say, "You can drop me off right here. Thank you." It means you can stop the car and let me out here.
Perfect. Now, there's a second, completely different meaning for drop off, and it has nothing to do with cars. Sometimes, drop off means to fall asleep.
Oh yes, this is a great one. Imagine you are sitting on the sofa watching a very boring movie late at night. Your eyes get heavy. You slowly fall asleep. You can say, I dropped off in the middle of the movie.
It means you did not plan to go to sleep. It just happened slowly. You dropped off. I dropped off when I was reading that long book yesterday.
So, drop off means to take someone to a place, or it means to fall asleep. English is crazy sometimes, right? But don't worry, the context will always tell you the meaning. If you're in a car, it's not about sleeping.
Let us move to the next phrasal verb, part 3, drop by or drop in. This one is very social and very friendly. Sarah, what does it mean if I say, I will drop by your house later?
If you drop by my house, it means you will visit me for a short time. And usually it's informal, it's casual. You don't need a formal invitation.
Exactly. A drop-by visit is usually short, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. You just want to say hello or bring something. For example, I was in your neighborhood, so I decided to drop by and say hi.
You can use drop by or drop in. They mean the same thing. My mom dropped in for coffee this morning. She only stayed for 15 minutes.
This is a very polite and friendly way to talk to people. You can invite people by saying, feel free to drop by anytime. It means my door is always open for you. Come visit me when you want.
But remember, don't drop by someone's house at midnight. That's not polite. A drop-by visit should be at a normal time of day.
Good advice. Okay, let's learn another one. Part 4, drop out. This is a serious one. It's very common in the context of school and education.
Yes, to drop out means to quit a class, to quit school, or to quit an organization before you finish. You leave early and you don't complete the program.
For example, university is very expensive in America. Sometimes students cannot pay for it, so they have to drop out of college. They stop going to classes.
We call a person who does this a dropout. Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg are very famous college dropouts. They left Harvard University before they finished their degrees to start their companies.
So dropping out is not always a bad thing, but it means you quit the official program. You can also drop a specific class. I was taking a heavy math class, but it was too difficult, so I dropped it. I dropped the class.
It means you removed it from your schedule. You quit the class. Okay, Jack, what about conversations? We can use the word drop when we are talking to people, right?
Yes, we absolutely can. Sometimes you're having an argument with your friend. You're both fighting about something silly. You're both getting angry. You just want the argument to stop. You can say, can we please just drop the subject?
Drop the subject, or just drop it. This is a very powerful phrase. It means stop talking about this. Let's forget it and move on.
If someone asks you a question that is too personal and you don't want to answer, you can say, I really don't want to talk about this. Let's drop it. It means change the topic. Do not push the conversation anymore.
It's a great way to set a boundary. Okay, let's review what we have learned so far. We have covered a lot of ground.
We learned the literal meaning, dropping an object. We learned drop off, which means taking someone somewhere or falling asleep. We learned drop by, which means a short visit. We learned drop out, which means to quit school. And we learned drop the subject, which means stop talking about something.
That is a lot of vocabulary for one small word, but we are not finished yet. Now it is time for Part 5, Advanced Idioms. These are the phrases that will make you sound like a true native speaker.
I love idioms. Let us start with an idiom that comes from sports, but we use it in business and daily life all the time. The idiom is to drop the ball. What does it mean to drop the ball, Sarah?
Think about a game of baseball or American football. Someone throws the ball to you. It is a very important moment. You need to catch it. But you don't. You drop the ball. You have failed.
So in daily life, to drop the ball means to make a mistake. It means you failed to do your responsibility. You forgot something important and it caused a problem.
For example, imagine we are planning a surprise birthday party for our friend. My job is to buy the birthday cake, but I forget. I arrive at the party with no cake. I have to apologize to everyone and say, I am so sorry, guys. I really dropped the ball on this one.
It means I made a big mistake. I failed my task. In an office, if you miss a deadline or forget to email a client, your boss might say, you really dropped the ball on this project.
It is a great idiom to take responsibility. If you make a mistake, just admit it. Say, I dropped the ball. I will fix it. People respect that.
Here's another great idiom. Drop a line. Let us drop someone a line. This sounds like fishing, right? You drop a fishing line into the water.
It does sound like fishing. But in conversation, to drop someone a line means to write a short message to them. It means to send a text message, an email, or a short letter just to say hello or give information.
Imagine you are moving to a new city. You are saying goodbye to your friends. You can say, when you come to New York, drop me a line. It means send me a message so we can meet.
Or if a company wants you to contact them, they might say on their website, drop us a line if you have any questions. Send us a short message. It is very casual and friendly.
Okay, here's one more idiom before our role play. To drop a hint. A hint is a small clue. It's when you want to tell someone something, but you don't want to say it directly.
Yes, you want them to guess. For example, my husband's birthday is coming soon. He really wants a new watch, but he doesn't want to ask me directly, so he drops hints.
How does he drop a hint?
He leaves magazines open to the watch pages. He talks about how his old watch is broken. He stops in front of the jewelry store when we are walking. He is dropping hints.
He is secretly giving you clues so you will buy the watch. I love that. I try to drop hints when I want my friends to buy dinner, but it never works.
You have to be more direct, Jack. Don't drop hints. Just ask them.
Okay, listeners, you have learned so many ways to use the word drop today. Now it's time to put it all together. It's time for our role play.
In this role play, Jack and I are coworkers. We are organizing a big meeting for our boss. Listen carefully. Try to hear all the different ways we use the word drop.
Are you ready? Let the role play begin.
Hey, Jack, how are the preparations for the big meeting going? Did you order the food for the guests?
Oh no, Sarah, I completely forgot to call the restaurant. I'm so sorry. I really dropped the ball on the food order.
Jack, the meeting is tomorrow. You dropped the ball? What are we going to do? Should we tell the boss?
No, let's drop the subject for now. Don't tell the boss. I will fix it. I'll call the restaurant right now.
Okay. Can you also go to the printer shop? We need the documents. Can you drop by the shop and pick them up?
I can't. I don't have my car today. I dropped my car off at the mechanic this morning. It's broken.
This is a disaster. Look, my brother has a car. I will drop him a line right now. I will send him a text and ask if he can help us.
Thank you, Sarah. You are the best. Wait, what is that noise? Did you drop something?
Oh, great. I just dropped my phone. The screen is cracked. This day keeps getting worse. I think I'm just going to drop out of this project and go home.
Don't drop out. We can do this. Just drop your brother a line and I will order the food. We will survive.
Okay, end of role play. Wow, that was a very stressful situation for those coworkers.
It was, but did you hear how many times we used the word drop? Let us review them quickly. First, I forgot the food. I said, I dropped the ball. I made a mistake.
Then Jack wanted to stop talking about the boss. He said, let's drop the subject. Let us change the topic.
Then Sarah asked me to visit the printer shop. She said, can you drop by the shop? A short visit.
But Jack didn't have his car because he left it at the mechanic. He dropped his car off.
So Sarah decided to send a text message to her brother. She said, I'll drop him a line.
Then the literal meaning, I physically dropped my phone on the floor.
And finally, Sarah was so frustrated she wanted to quit. She said, I want to drop out of this project.
See how powerful one word can be? By learning these phrases, you don't just learn vocabulary, you learn how native speakers actually think and communicate.
This is why we love making these podcasts for you. We want you to feel confident when you speak. You don't need a huge dictionary. You just need to know how to use words like drop deeply and correctly.
And making mistakes is part of the process. If you use drop off instead of drop by, someone will probably correct you, but they will still understand you. Do not let the fear of making mistakes stop you from speaking.
That is wonderful advice. Now, before we say goodbye, we have our question of the day. We want you to practice what you learned right now.
Yes, practice makes progress. Your question for today is about the idiom drop the ball.
We want you to think of a time when you made a mistake or forgot something important. Go to the comments section and write a sentence using the phrase drop the ball.
For example, you can write, I dropped the ball when I forgot my mother's birthday, or I dropped the ball on my English homework last week.
Be honest. We all make mistakes. Write your sentence in the comments. We read every single comment and we try to reply to as many as possible. We love seeing your sentences.
And if you want to say hello, just drop us a line in the comments too. Let us know where you're watching from.
If you found this lesson helpful, please share it with a friend who is also learning English. Send them the link. Tell them to drop by our channel.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Your dedication to learning English is inspiring. Keep showing up, keep practicing, and you will see amazing results.
Absolutely. Stay positive, keep learning, and don't drop the ball on your daily practice. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, friends. Take care.